Now we're going to create a second select that depends on the first select. To make this, we're going to create a new folder called plugins. So let's click here, new folder, called, and create a new PHP file. We're going to call states. So we have our plugin folder with our state file. So inside of the body, we're going to insert a select. Insert HTML form select. We're going to call this states. From here, we're going to create a new record set. WebAssist, MySQLite, record set. We're going to call this states list. We drop our states table and our countries table. Then select the relation between them. For this example, we are only going to use the ID, the name from the states table, and the ID for country. Then click on Advanced, and we're going to create an alias for each one of these fields. So function, none, state ID as ID states. Function none, states name as name states, and countries none as ID country. We're gonna use the right outer join, and finally we're gonna order by state name ascending. We click on OK and test this record set. Now we see that we have the name of states, ID states, and the country ID. So we return to our query builder to apply a filter. Go to Advanced, and on where state we're going to use where ID country is exactly as a form variable called country. This name must match with our first select in our form file. In this case, we can see here that our first select is called country, so our filter must be called country. Finally, we apply the dynamics to this select. ID states, label as name states. So from here we finish with our states file. Return to our form file, and we are going to create a new div below. We're going to apply an ID as states box, and inside this div we're going to insert our plugin as WebAssist, Framework Builder, Plugins, Insert Plugin. Choose our state, choose OK. Then finally, we're gonna select our first select called country, and we're gonna apply a behavior. Go to Window, Behavior, click on WebAssist, Framework, Load to Div. Then go to State Search, Plugin States, and we're gonna use the div states box. We click OK, close the panel, we upload our entire site. Finally, go to browser, testing browser, and we see our two selects. When we change the value from the first one, the second will take the state from this country. If we want to see, for example, the state from Austria, if we want to see the state from China,